Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how to make a rosette and bow using your scrap papers. I hate throwing scrap papers away, even if the little pieces. So I try to make something out of it and I'll show you how to do it. I hope you love this video. I have these many scrap papers and a lot more scrap papers. So I'll start with making a rosette. You can take paper of any size. Here I am taking a 6x6 remaining paper. I'll mark at 1 centimeter each. Take odd number of points like 13, 15, 17, and I'll take 2-3 centimeter strips. You can take 4, 5, how much ever big rosette you want. I'll join the lines. Make creases on the lines, it will be easier later, and then we will cut the strips away. Otherwise we have to fold both of the sheets. Now fold it in alternate directions. And fold the other one too, like this. Join the end of the two pieces and let it dry for some time. Till then we'll make few more. You can use any sheet you have, it just have to be thick enough. I have this heart punch. You can cut out any shape or just draw and cut it. I am taking this strip and cutting heart shape out of it. I want 2 for each rosette. Hold the rosette firmly and stick the heart. Keep both of the hearts ready, otherwise it will open up. Now flip it and stick the other heart. Isn't it pretty? I'll make the other two. You can leave it here only, but I love to decorate it more. You can use flowers or sentiments or anything you have. Use double-sided tape to give a definition, more definition to it. Just try and test with whatever elements you have. You don't have to be specific.
As time goes by. It's been a long time.
Now we will get into the other one. We'll make bows. Just cut out a rectangle. You don't have to be specific about it. Fold it in half and draw the shape. You can cut out this shape and keep it for future purpose also when you will be making bows. use it as a stencil for the other ones. I'm making 4 here at a time. You can make more. It's easier doing one step at a time. Now use the same stencil to make the bow part. Make it little bit smaller than what I made. It will look better. You can combine it with any color. You can make it monochromatic. You can use 2 colors or 3 colors, whatever you like. For the center part, I'll be using this sheet of paper, strip actually. You can use golden foam sheet also, golden metallic sheets also. There are plenty of options. Let's make the other one. Let's assemble all of them and we will get into the fun part, that is decorating. Hold it for some time, otherwise it will open up. Like this, you can make bows of different sizes and different textures. You can make bows with golden foam sheets also. Try and test it. I am sure you will love it. Here I am using the same thin strips, the leftover strip actually. Try to make most out of your paper, how much ever you can. I personally do it every time. You can use anything for decorations. I am showing you different example. Like here I have used simple flowers, or you can layer it up with a flower and a sentiment. Use a double-sided tape. Million of options. Double-sided tape make it look better. You can add golden foam sheets also. I cut this heart out of golden foam sheets. It's my favorite actually. Do like this video and subscribe to our channel. And also, thank you for watching.